Hi, I'm Bob Quayle. Welcome to Haddon Township High School. Today I'll be explaining how to use the sound and light systems in our auditorium. This demo is for internal use, that is, for Class 1 or Class 2 users. You will have access to our system's easy mode. This will not include the sound and lighting boards in the back of the auditorium. Please note, under no circumstances will anyone, regardless of professed experience or expertise, be permitted to operate the mixing boards in any manner. Furthermore, neither students nor staff members will be available for managing the mixing boards. First, I'll explain and demonstrate the lights. To turn the house lights on or off, use the switch next to any entry door. As you can see, on and off are clearly marked. Stage lights are controlled by using the touchscreen located backstage. The lights can be turned on and off using the stage presets that are already programmed. Feel free to preview any of these presets and pick the ones that you think work best for your production. Unfortunately, no extra programming will be possible. Now I'll explain and demonstrate the use of the sound system. We can supply 2 wireless microphones and 2 microphone stands. Please remember to request these items when reserving the auditorium. This is a wireless microphone like the ones we will provide. Here's how to use it. To turn it on, press the button and hold until the green light comes on. To mute it, press it quickly. The light will turn orange. To turn it back on, press it quickly again, and it turns back to green. In order to turn the microphone off, press and hold until the microphone light goes out. I would advise bringing some extra AA batteries just in case these run out of charge. Here's how to replace them. Unscrew the bottom, pull this little panel away, replace the batteries, close the little panel, put the bottom back on. You should be set to go. The microphone on-off buttons and volume controls are located on the front of the stage. Here's how they work. When it stops blinking, all the microphones will be on. As you can see, there are also volume controllers at the same location. Pressing the first one gives you red, that means the mic is muted. If you press it again, it will turn green, that means the microphone is on. Control the volume by turning it up or down. You'll note that it is blue when you are controlling the volume. This works on all the controllers. The first 2 are for microphones. The last one is for music. As you can see, we will include a wire that you can connect a computer, iPhone, or iPad to allow music to be played through the system. To turn the speakers off at the end of the night, just press the red button. It will start to blink, and the system is off. There is also a baby grand piano on the floor in front of the stage for your use if you should need it. I hope this short demonstration has been helpful. We wish you all the best with your performance.